want to solve this problem. Log to the base 2 of x plus log to the base 3 of x equal to 5. And we want to find x. So now we will need to understand first that the bases are not the same. So for that, we won't be solving directly. So let's remember the rule that says if log to the base b of a, then this is equal to log a all over log b. So if we apply this rule to this question, log to the base 2 of x will then become log x over log₂ plus this becomes log x over log₃ equal to 5. So from here we can actually factor this log s out. We'll then be having log s bracket 1 over log₂ plus 1 over log₃, or equal to 5. Now when we resolve what we have in the bracket, we'll then be having log x, taking the LCM, which is the 2, we'll have log₂ dot log₃. That's log₂ log₃ divided by log₂, will be left with log₃. So this will be log₃ plus log₂, all equal to 5. Also, let's remember that but if log a plus log b equal to log a dot b, if we are to apply this particular rule to this, we would then be having log of s, which is this, bracket log₃ dot 2. That's 3 times 2. We are applying this rule here on this, all over log₂ log₃ equal to 5. So from here we now have log of x, 3 times 2 is 6. We now have log 6 over log₂ times log₃, all equal to 5. So from here we can actually make log x subject of the formula. Make log of x subject. We'll then be having log of x equal to 5 log of 2 times log of 3, all over log of 6. So we made log x subject formula from this particular equation. So resolving it, you got this. So from here we'll now be having log of x equal to 5 log of 2, 5 times log of 2 all over log of 6 times log of 3. We only separated these two things. So we'll then be having log of x, crossing over the equality sign, it becomes division, equal to 5 times log of 2 over log of 6 So we brought the log of 3 over to the left hand side. It becomes division. So we then have log of x all over log of 3 equal to 5 times log of 2 all over log of 6. We have log of x over log of 3 equal to 5 times log of 2 over log of 6. Now, remembering the first rule we applied, which says if log to the base b of a is equal to log of a over log of b. So if we are to apply this down again to this particular equation here, we'll then be having for log of x all over log of 3, this will then become log to the base 3 of x equal to 5 times log to the base 6 of 2. But remember, if log to the base a of x is equal to b, then x is equal to a to the power of b. So we'll then be applying this next rule to this particular equation. We'll now have x equal to 3 to the power of 5 further raised to the power of log of 6 log to base 6 of 2. So this will then give us x equal to 3 raised to the power of 5 is 243 further raised to the power of log base 6 of 2.